Hi, I'm Jennifer with Oscar Renda Contracting. We are on Forest Avenue today. We have completed the base course of asphalt on the south side of the road, and we are continuing to install sewer and storm drain on the north side of the road. We are also removing sidewalks, curbing, and temporary asphalt and installing the limestone sub-base. That's what you see behind me. We are completing the final, extremely large and deep storm drain structure on Biloxi, along with sewer and water services to homes. Once that is complete, we will continue installing road sub-base in preparation for base course of asphalt. We are installing sewer on Cuevas, south of Division. This work is deep and the road is extremely narrow. It is taking much longer than expected due to having to work around existing utilities which are not shown on the plans. Within the next couple of weeks, we will begin installing the storm drain. We have installed limestone road sub-base on Thelma in between Graham and Biloxi. There are only 3.5 roads without base course of asphalt and only 3 roads with utilities remaining to be installed. We've installed the final course of asphalt on Lee Street north of Division, Murray, Nixon south of Division, Ebony, Baptist, Esther's Boulevard east of Lee Street. We are steadily moving west, installing a leveling course of asphalt with the final surface course not that far behind. This takes twice the amount of time to install, but provides the best riding surface for the roads. We are striping all streets east of Lee and making sure all street signs are installed. We are doing a lot of final punch-out type work, which puts our men and women in the middle of the street at times. Please, please, slow down and be considerate. We have had numerous close calls, and I certainly don't want to shut streets down and cause additional inconveniences for everyone. However, in order to protect my family, I will. I'd like to take a minute to commend our team of dedicated workers. Despite record-setting heat and daily difficulties and challenges, they give 100% daily and are committed to the completion of this project. I couldn't be more proud of them. And as always, I thank you for your continued patience and support.
Hi, my name is Jack Gratwick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemp Hill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. I'm standing on Biloxi Avenue, where we have just completed the sidewalks and driveways on this street. We currently have 6 Hemp Hill crews, 3 concrete crews, and our asphalt crews are moving in and out as we try to complete the rest of this project. We have 1 crew installing the storm drain on Father Ryan Avenue from White Avenue going west. We have another crew laying sewer on the east side of White Avenue and will at some point in the next 2 weeks cross White Avenue with that sewer. We have a 3rd crew on Caldwell Avenue installing the sewer. Once they will finish, they will move to Morrison Avenue south of Father Ryan to install the sewer. Once that is complete, we will bring in our road crew to complete Morrison Avenue and Caldwell Avenue. We have 1 concrete crew in phase 2 of the project, repairing all the driveways, sidewalks, and curb that was damaged by the progress of our work. We have our 2nd concrete crew working in phase 1 of the project, doing the same thing. In the next 2 weeks, we are planning to pave St. Francis Street, Chalmers, Leggett, Father Ryan from St. Francis to the Biloxi Elementary School, the parking lot off St. Jude, Gill Avenue north of Irish Hill, and the parking lot of the park located off Biloxi Avenue. We would like to remind everybody again to please keep our employees' safety in mind while driving around our construction areas. Thank you.